And don't forget to subscribe to Bagoday Crochet. You can subscribe by clicking this red button right here. And don't forget to click this little bell right there next to it. That way you'll always be notified whenever Bagoday puts on a new video. Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So today I'm going to do a yarn review on this pretty neat looking yarn from Lionbrand. It's called Lionbrand Boing yarn. It's pretty new as of the making of this video. Look at it. It's really neat. It just boings back into place. Get that. So let's read about it. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 76 yards, 94 acrylic, 5 polyester, 1% other. It's classified as a bulky 5. Knitting needles are 8mm and crochet hook is a 6.5mm. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey. The color is called a gateway. Well, you know, when you look at it, I would say by thickness wise, it's more like a 6 thickness of a super bulky 6. You can probably see that by looking at it. It's stretchy, boingy, like a spring. I take it that's how it got its name. So it's definitely got the cool factor as far as being interesting. If you like interesting yarns, let's check it out. Let's open it up and see it. Okay, let me slide the label off. It appears that it's wound like this, like kind of Hank style, but not really. It's not twisted, but it's got, I seen a knot up here. See that? That's holding it together that you'll have to clip off. So I just now noticed that. I kind of thought it was just in a big ball. I don't really know. We'll check it out together. I hope that's what I was supposed to do. I think so. Yeah, see, then it comes apart. Well, so yeah, it's wrapped like that. It's like Hank style, but it's not twisted up like a Hank. So it looks like, let me cut this string over here. There's another one. See if I can find the end to it. Huh. There we go. That just undid that. So I think I need to clip this one, actually, to get 2 ends. I hope that was right. Look at that. It's like a big slinky. Everybody loves a slinky. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. Okay, so I think you could just pull out the center. Seems to be working pretty good. So I thought at first it was going to be kind of difficult to deal with this mess the way it was wound, but actually see pulling from the center from itself real easy. So that's nice. Let's try to crochet with it. Let's look at it up close. Look at that. It's I don't know. It looks like it could be hard to crochet with, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong many times. It's got pretty colors though. See how they change. Looks like the consistency does go like, look how it's thinner here. Goes to thicker. It looks like it's a little thinner at some points than it is others, but it is so boingy. Watch it just flip back. It just flings back like a... I'm having way too much fun with this. I can just play with this all day. It's really soft. I mean, it feels nice. So I do have a K hook here. That's a recommended size. I'm not having too much trouble with it, but I can see how it could split on people. It's very, I don't know. I would want to say it's similar to homespun, but it's not really similar to homespun. I thought that at first, but Now that I'm crocheting with it, it's not. Now the stitches, you know, they're not extremely easy to see, but they're not super hard that I don't think it would give you too much trouble. See how it looks there? You can still see them, I think. I'm not really having much trouble finding the stitches. No, it hasn't split on me, not one time. That's a surprise. See, I thought it was going to split. What do I know? Feels good going through the hook. I mean, it's sliding easy and it's not getting hung up or anything. Not for me anyways. Like I said, I'm not really having too much trouble finding my stitches. Not as bad as I thought I would. All right, that is some pretty stinking cool yarn. It didn't give me much trouble. It didn't really give me no trouble to crochet with it at all. It comes out the center real easy. Didn't hang up. Didn't really get stuck on my hook, maybe once or so, but nothing bad. I could see the stitches quite well. Look at the bobbles, they really stand out. That's some cool yarn. I really like that. That's so neat. It's interesting. And it's still stretchy even when you crochet with it. So, you know, I could see this yarn being made into a lot of things. Well, a lot of fun things. I think I make a beautiful scarf, actually. A fun bag. A fun hat, which I actually might undo this and make a hat with it. Okay, so right now it appears that it's only available on Lionbrand.com. I would assume at the making of this video that I'm making that it's so new that it hasn't really got out anywhere else yet. I could be wrong. It could only be available at Lionbrand. Some of their yarns are only available on their site. I'm not sure, but I know this is really new. As soon as I seen it, I seen it on their site, I ordered it, so I know that it's new. It looks like it comes in about 10 different colors. You know, no solids. They're all look like this. You know, they're not all bright like this. They have some darker colors, like some blues, really pretty dark blues, and some browns, and some reds, and ooh, that brown's pretty. Yellows. You just have to take a look on Lionbrand.com and check them out, all the colors. I'm gonna have to get me that brown one. Now the price of it is $9.99. That is for 76 yards, bulky 5. I still consider it a super bulky 6. And I would say most of you would probably be in agreement with me on that. Now, it's definitely got the cool factor. It's extremely cool yarn. It's like yarn that I've never seen before. I could just boing with it, just boing it all day. Boing, boing. Is it worth that coolness? Worth $9.99? No. Definitely not. Is it worth it to get it on sale? Heck yeah, it is. I got mine for 40% off. When I bought mine, Lionbrand had special 40% off. So I paid, I don't know what it was, $5 or $6 for it. I think it's worth that. Well, closer to $6 probably. Heck, I think it's worth $6. $5, $6. That's super cool. And I'm going to buy some more. I'm going to buy a brown one, and I'm going to make me a hat out of it. That is so neat. And I think I might make my kids a hat out of this one, or a bag. I don't know, but I'm going to undo this, and I might make a bag out of it. Will one be enough to make a bag? That's what I don't know. Probably a small bag, and maybe if I don't use bobbles, especially, if I don't use any special stitches. I see where it was thick to thin. I showed you that. That's where it was tied together tight. That's why it looks like that. I can see it all the way down. So it's not really the yarn itself doing that. It's just the tie they had on it was so tight, it just kind of smashed it up. So, but crocheting with it, you can't tell that at all. So I think it's super cool. I think it's worth $5 or $6. I'll buy it again when it's on sale at Lionbrand. Remember, it's not uncommon for Lionbrand to have 25% off, 30% off, 40% off, 45 sometimes. It's not uncommon. So if this is a yarn that you want to try and it interests you, just wait it out. I always wait. I don't really ever buy anything on Lionbrand.com unless I get a percentage off. Like, I wait for their sales, which they have them quite often. So I put what I want in the cart, and then I just wait for them to have a sale, a site-wide sale, and then I buy it. That's what I did with this. I think it's super cool, and it's soft. You could definitely wear it, make a scarf. Like I said, hat. If you want to spend the money, because there's not a lot of yardage in here, make a pretty cool like button-up jacket or something. Man, that'd be awesome. Take a lot of balls though to do that. A lot of these balls of yarn, but man, that'd be cool. So my suggestion is, if you like cool, interesting yarns, you're gonna like this one. I can't say for certain, but I think you will. And I just recommend you waiting for Lionbrand to have a sale on their site, and before you try it out, because I don't think it's worth $9.99 that they're asking. It's cool. It's super cool. It's not that cool though. But not $10 cool. $5 or $6 cool? Definitely. All day long. I think it's super neat, and I think it's fun. And we all need a little bit of fun in our lives, right? It's fun to crochet with. I had a good time. I'm just sitting here thinking of the things I'm going to make with it once I'm done with this video. I don't know if I'm going to make a hat or a bag or what, but I'm going to make something. And I will definitely buy more. So, yes, I think Lionbrand did a good job with this yarn. I think they have it overpriced, but they do have sales all the time. And if you can get it on sale, it's worth it. It's super cool to me. Now, you can go on Lionbrand and you can check out their collars, see, if you like them. Let me know if you think it's worth $5 or $6. It is super cool. It's interesting. Definitely boingy. The name is properly fitted for it. So, would you pay $5 or $6 for it? Because with that amount of yardage, I know you can definitely make a hat out of it, and probably even a scarf, because it is a thicker yarn. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I think it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna get some more whenever. Oh, just so you know, right now, the making of this video, July 6th, Lionbrand has 40% off all their yarns. So if you are interested, take advantage of that. I might go ahead and order me that brown one. I like it. Thanks everybody for watching. Lionbrand, thumbs up on this one. Bring your price down a little bit, but otherwise, good job. Thanks everybody. Bye bye.